Greetings to the graduating class of 2025 CSUSM. Congratulations. My name is Adele Bautista. I am a non-traditional student, a lifelong learner, and a Filipino-American of Spaniard descent. I am also a wife of a retired United States Naval Chief Warrant Officer 4 with 31 years of service. To the CSUSM class of 2025, congratulations. I value and appreciate our years of late-night readings, writings, hard work, study groups, Zoom sessions, FaceTimes, and the many creative ways we shared to prepare for midterms, final exams, essays, art projects, and for achieving this important milestone in our lives. We earned it. As we move forward after graduation, I hope and wish all the best for each and every one of you. I would like to share some questions and thoughts with you as we navigate through the school of life. What if we continue to listen to our hearts? Our feelings are clues to pay attention and assess what is most critical, needing our divided attention. What if emotional mindfulness begins with each one of us? What if we are willing to accept and face challenges and adversities with grace, courage, objectivity, and determination? What if we assess our purposes in life so that we may continue to be of service to our family, community, and country? What if, as citizens of the world, we continue to give back even in simple and meaningful ways? What if we live at present time with clarity, attention, and focus? What if we remember we always have at least 3 choices in any given situation: accept, remove, or change? What if we keep an open mind for possibilities, opportunities, new methodologies, technologies, new people, and new friendships? What if we get right back up when we fall and move on with grace and style? What if we accept our own mistakes with courage, dignity, and integrity? What if we remain true and honest with ourselves? Please, always know we are all worthy and deserving of validation, love, and respect. Class of 2025, I invite you to continue to grow, be confident, be resilient, be integral, be happy, and be awesome because you rock. Congratulations! Merci! Marami pong salamat! Muchas gracias! Dakal pong salamat! Thank you.